Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Chegg account. So Chegg account allows the users to access various academic resources and services. So in order to create this account, first of all launch open Chegg application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Chegg application has been opened. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you already have the account, tap on the option sign in and you'll be able to sign in to your account. But if you want to create the account for yourself, tap on the option sign up. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the sign up interface of Chegg. From here you'll be able to sign up for your account. All you have to do is enter your email address. So simply enter your email address over here. Likewise, if you want, you can also put the phone number, but this is completely optional. So after doing that, tap on the continue option. Now you can see over here you'll have to verify your identity. A code will be sent to your email, so simply open Gmail on your device. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Jake has sent me the email. Simply tap on the email. Now in this email you'll be able to see the verification code. So simply memorize this code. Go back to the Chegg application. Now enter that code over here. Now after entering the code, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to create a password for yourself. Simply create a very strong password. Your password must contain at least 6 characters. Now after creating the password, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your Chegg account will be created. So that is how you create Chegg account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.